Hey girls, it's Wednesday, and we've got a serious lot of questions this week, so I think I'll just start. First off, I think it was Mary who asked what our favorite fictional character was. First off, I thought about Neville Longbottom, and I really like him because he starts off as this little boy who doesn't really have any confidence in himself, and he ends up being this awesome person who fights for what he believes in. And I think that's very inspirational. But then again, I started thinking more, and I actually think my favorite character, it's so hard to say because there's so many amazing characters in this world, just it wouldn't be humanly possible to even get to know all those fictional characters. But the first one that comes into mind now when I've thought a bit about it, I think I'm gonna go with Holden Caulfield from The Catcher in the Rye, because I can relate to him so much, and I remember reading Catcher in the Rye for the first time, and he just made such a great impact. I could really relate to him, so I think I'm gonna go with Holden Caulfield. He's not this perfect person. He's got lots of flaws, and he got double standards, and he's just it's perhaps not the person you want to be, and it's not the person you think is totally awesome and a wonderful person. But I understand a lot of the things he's going through, which I think the fact that he's got those flaws, it makes him believable. We were asked what shampoo we use, and honestly I just use some random stuff, whatever the rest of my family use, which at the moment is this beautiful thing, Discount shampoo. Yay! Cheap stuff. It just says shampoo from Landlord, which is a discount. Yeah, nothing special. Cleans your hair. Yay! I think it was Mary who asked us to speak in an accent, and I've been thinking, and I can't really think of any accents I know. I can try to speak in a South State American accent, but I'm really, really bad at that, and I suck at this. I can't speak anything but whatever I'm speaking usually, and this is just getting worse and worse. And I suck. What else? Do I know any accents at all? I can speak in an extremely British thing, but this doesn't sound British at all. This just sounds retarded. Okay, I just totally forgot the most obvious thing ever. Why don't I just speak in my perfect Danish accent? This is the way some Danish people speak, and it's just horrible, and it just sounds retarded. But I'm just gonna speak like this for some time, and then I've got my accent thing too. Well, then I can't remember who asked this, but favorite color. I think it was Tasha who asked if I was this just sounds too stupid. You heard my Danish accent? You heard some South State something? I don't even know what that was, but that's it for today. I'm just gonna say no more accents. You're just gonna have to deal with my weird mix of all different kind of accents I'm speaking when I'm speaking English. So, yay! Well, what our favorite color was? I like red and black. My most nerdy trait? I think at first I was going to say Harry Potter because I'm really obsessed with that. When I think about it, I think I have to say literature in general, because I really love to read. I'll read a lot. I'm also kind of a math geek. When I was small, I did math fun, like extra math, because I just found it funny. Please don't kill me. And so I'll see you tomorrow.